All right, today really quick, I'm going to show you how easy it is to test the general water quality of your tap water using one of these TDS meters. What's great about this one is right on the back, it tells you how to read it. A reading of 0 to 150 ppm is good. This is what your drinking water should be. If you're at 150 to 300, that indicates that there is a possible contamination of some kind. And then 301 to 500, unsafe to drink. And essentially what TDS is, it's a measure of total dissolved solids. So that's all of your minerals, metals, other potential chemicals. It's just a general reading to tell you how much is dissolved in the water. It's not going to tell you what is in the water. For that, you'll want a more specific test. This is a good first step to check your tap water to see where that range is. And if you have a high range, that should tell you that maybe you should test it with some test strips or have it professionally tested. So with our unit on here, when we open it up, we see there is two metal prongs. This works by measuring the electrical resistance in the water, and that's able to give us a general parts per million of your total dissolved solids. So here we have three samples we're going to test. This is just our straight tap water. This is our filtered fridge water, which I would expect to have maybe a better TDS reading. And here we just have lemonade, and that's to show you that something like that should have a high TDS reading. So it's telling us that there's something dissolved in the water, but it's not telling us what. Of course, lemonade is perfectly safe to drink, but I wanted to show you that if you have something dissolved, that's what's going to influence this reading. So our tap water is reading about 28. That's a nice, safe reading. That's good to see. And what's nice is when it's reading it, it'll stay locked onto the highest value it gets. And then when we want to reset, we just press clear. Now we will try our fridge water. And what's interesting is it has the same ppm, so that's telling us that the fridge filter is not removing solids per se. Now here is a test on our lemonade. All right, so you can see the lemonade, it's reading high ppm. That's because there is sugar and lemons in there and whatever else they put in lemonade. I don't know, do they put salt in lemonade? What's kind of cool is the back light also changes color in alignment with the readings here. So anyway, that's how it works. You get a nice, quick, and easy reading with this. A good way to check your tap water as a first line of defense.